The National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm test. During dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 2. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet webpage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. Now return to our normally scheduled programming.
And now a look at your forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota.
West of today, mostly cloudy. The cooler effect in the lower 70s.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. For
Okay. Let's review our radios off. The 250 went off. The Recon R16 reading went off. The 400. The 262 went off. I have no way to say. I think I programmed the 251 incorrectly. So I probably am not sure. And 996 went off. 74 200 went off. The Red Kids and 20 went off. The Sejan and Emerson went off. Next will be Chanhassen.
I wish I could go with them to go catch that.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 NOAA weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin.
Jack, ride with us.
This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
I biked here.